Okay, so you try to go to the Google Play or Play Store. Try to install Google Slides. And then after you install the Google Slides, you try to open. Okay, by the time that you had opened the Google Slides, make sure that you will have to sign in with your email account. So for now, I have this account with me. Then after that one, you try to click the plus sign here below so that you can create your presentation. So here you have here the first slide of your presentation. So you can double tap to add title. Example, your title is 1, and then you try to have the subtitle as your name. Example, we have here. Okay. Then after that one, if you want to create another slide, you can have this box with a plus sign below. You can have your text only, title slide, title and body, caption, one column text or other. But for now, I will have to click the title and the body. So, example, I have here the title 1. Then I begin to have the body, like for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. And then I can have my letters in bold, italize, or underline. I can have it also as any color that I want, but for now I just have it black. Okay, so as you can see here below, you have here different text. You can explore if you want to insert image or photos in the camera, you can have it here. Then we have also the text box if you want to add. Okay, then another is you can have the shapes, you can have the lines, you can have the columns or tables if you want to have tables, and then you can have also the different layouts, slide layout for that specific slide. Then after that one, you can still add using the plus with the box with a plus sign below. You can have other slides, so you have now 3 slides. So try to explore and make different styles if you want to. That's all. Thank you.